Guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the possible cause that when the food resides on the dishes in Samsung Dishwasher Bespoke AI. So the first possible cause is an incorrect program has been selected, so pay attention that you're using good the program, and you can also select the intensive one. The next one, filters are clogged or not properly tightened, insufficient. Okay, the filters are clogged or not properly tightened. The next possible cause is insufficient detergent has been used or the water pressure is too low. The next one is dishes have been loaded incorrectly or too many dishes have been loaded inside. And the last one, the water is too hard, so try to use the other detergent or select the water hardness in the settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.